Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on with you? It's your boy Serrano. If you like tech and you're new, subscribe and join the crew. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these cases from Armadillo Tek for the Moto G Stylus, guys. So these are gonna be really sick. I actually been watching some YouTube videos on these cases, and shout out to Carl from Armadillo Tek for sending these over. I could check them out for the Moto G Stylus just for you. So without any more waiting and without any further ado, let's just go right into the video and see what these are all about. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at both cases here. We do seem to have two colors, which is actually cool. So I just want to thank Carl from Armadillo Tek for, sending these. Are getting a nice rugged military grade case on both of these products. Some military images here which look really sick. You're also getting on the back the Vanguard military graded case. They're shock proof, dust proof, and scratch proof as well. So let's go ahead, and without any more waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the black Armadillo case and just take a look at the package. We do have a front screen protector for the Moto G Stylus. Let's go ahead and pop out the styrofoam filler from the Vanguard Armadillo Tek for the Moto G Stylus, and we are getting some important information. So if you have any issues here with the case from Armadillo Tek, you can always contact them first as well. Check out the case in a little bit more detail. We are getting really nice grips on the side that I do notice, which I do appreciate as well. Not only that, the case is going to offer you really sturdy and solid build overall for really nice protection especially if you're into hiking or camping, or like if you're someone who is in the outdoors. My brother just broke his iPhone XR because he didn't have a strong enough case, and this thing does also offer a kickstand so you can watch your content vertically or horizontally. Armadillo Tek branding inside, it says designed in Texas, made in China as well. Heat dissipation is along with air circulation vents, so actually when your phone drops, the impact will be sustained through this nice design and pattern. So let's take a look at the back in a little bit more detail. You are getting this really nice feel in the hand, which feels really nice. It's got some grip to it as well, but the sides have that rubber material and the back has that plastic material. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case, and we're gonna go ahead and you can actually take this part and put it on first. So let's go ahead and peel this off. So that was actually pretty satisfying, just to say the least. Get a little cloth and just wipe off any dust that you see on the front, and wipe off the screen with your cloth. You want to go ahead, apply the screen protector nevertheless, and then you can see that you're getting really nice screen protection on the front. So then you would go ahead and apply the case inside of there, and now you have a really nice solid rugged case with really nice protection on the front as well. You can see the punch hole cutout is actually protected with the camera as well, so that's pretty impressive. And let's just go ahead and wipe off any dirt that we see on the front of it. And what I really like about this case is that the side holds feel really strong. So if I'm working out, or if I'm hiking, or if I'm outdoors and I'm doing any physical activity, this is the case that I want on my phone. It's actually 100% military grade. It has got the military standard 810G drop testing, guys. So they've actually assured this product to be drop tested as well. So you're not only going to be able to get one color, guys, you can get multiple colors on the website of Armadillo Tek. The Vanguard series is really crazy, guys. It's gonna offer you some really nice protection. As you can see, this one offers some sick design in here. You get hints of orange inside of the gray, and you can see all the cutouts offered here, guys. I didn't even talk about the seals on here. So look what I'm talking about right now. You are getting this is going to prevent dust from getting in, and those actually pop in and out. So this is for the Type-C charging port. It actually covers that up, and you still got access to your pen region here. So if you just pull out your pen, you could easily get to your pen. And when I'm writing on the screen, it does feel pretty smooth. I'm not even gonna front. It's actually pretty sweet. So Armadillo Tek, and you could just like type on here. So that feels actually pretty smooth. Let me just see, Vanguard series. And then I'll just about Moto G Stylus. All right, so that actually feels good when writing, and it's actually really responsive as well. Also, the buttons feel really clicky. You can see when you enter your fingerprint, everything feels really nice. Even the volume rockers feel really sweet as well. There, you also get these actual pop out ports here for your charging and for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack as well. So this is built sick. It's got the noise cancellation microphone at the top. It's got a little bit of branding here as well. And then if you don't want the black one and you want to go to the beach or something to kind of stand out, you get some colors that you can actually choose from. So the orange one, maybe you could mix it up, match it up with some outfits that you're wearing, but just switch up your phone overall, guys. But hopefully you did find this video helpful in any way possible. But shout out to Armadillo Tek. This is the Vanguard series, legendary protection from Texas. It also does offer the support team here, so just contact them for 100% satisfaction as well. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, or just reach out to Armadillo Tek and they will be happy to help you. These are my own thoughts, and I was not paid by Armadillo Tek, but they did offer to send this case out for me, so I just want to give them a big, huge shout out. If you did find this video helpful in any way possible to you, make sure you hit the like button and show your support by hitting the bell icon as well. Meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace. Later, crew.